So when magnetite, okay, hold on for 1 second. Let me draw it nicely. So this is magnetite, okay? Magnetite is a mineral inside the MAG, magnetite. Magnetite is a mineral which is, magnetite is a mineral in the basalt. When magnetite solidifies, the north pole of the magnetite orients to the Earth's magnetic north. Okay? So it orients to the Earth's magnetic north. So now we found a magnetite which is 5 million years old. So we find a magnetite which is 5 million years old. And now we find the north magnetite's north is like this. Now we are thinking why it will be like this. Because now in 2022, Earth's magnetic field is this way. So we can imagine that 5 million years ago, Earth's magnetic pole was right here. Okay, again, magnetite is a mineral which solidifies, and when it solidifies, it is oriented towards Earth's magnetic north and magnetic south. It is oriented towards Earth's magnetic north and magnetic south. So if we find a magnetite which is 5 million years old, we will see that, and we see that the magnetite is oriented in this direction, or we find another one which is 10 million years old, we find it is oriented here. Another one which we find about 20 million years ago, we see it is oriented this side. Then this thing tells us that the Earth's magnetic north and south, which is the North Pole and South Pole, is constantly moving. It's a big, big discovery, and we found it through the mineral magnetite. Any mineral magnetite, if you bring to the lab, if it is 2, 3, 4 million years old or 1 million years old, and if you find out that the magnetic north and south is different from what it is today in 2022, isn't it a huge discovery? So this is how some mineral stores the record of the past. Okay, clear? Anybody who didn't understand, please listen to the recorded session. This much I can tell you. Is it clear? Yes or no? So magnetite is a mineral which records past history of the earth. Magnetite solidifies. Now a magnetite coming out today, November 23rd, 2022, from the rift, from the divergent plate boundary under the Atlantic Ocean, it will solidify, oriented towards the magnetic north and south of the earth today. 1 million years later, if a scientist found out, they will crush it and they'll say, oh my God, the North and the South Pole was different in 2022. Now look, it is different because the Earth's North and the South Pole constantly changes. Okay, clear, all of you? Everybody clear? Cool. Perfect. Everybody got it? So now can you go back to the online lab and see I've opened the lab, write your name, everything, and submit your lab, please. Number 5. 1 second, Mandy. Number 5, multiple choice question was seed farm. Number B for boy. Oh, short answer. That's what I was just, this is what I was discussing right now, all this time. Mandy, go to the recorded session then. I was just, that's what I explained. I cannot type the answer, even though I typed 2 lines of it. So if you have no questions, you can submit the lab, then you can log out and have a good evening. Rest of the everybody, please submit and And I'm stopping the recorded session right now. So our lab is done for today. So please do let me know if there is any questions. Other than that, have a very good evening and please submit your lab. You can log off from this place also. If you have no questions, you can submit the lab. Please log off and have a very good rest of the evening. Then I will understand. Any questions? Maria, Ricky, Brandon? Okay, all right. Maria and Ricky, any questions?